Hey everyone, Andover Adam here, and I'm so excited to give you a pre-Valentine's Day surprise. It's a special treat. That's right, we are bringing back the Little Sweetheart collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. It's a sweet fan favorite. Let's go check it out. 3 years ago, we released the Little Sweetheart collection from Laundry Basket Quilts, and the entire quilting world went wild. We are bringing it back in full in August of this year. This collection was special for so many reasons, not the least of which all these beautiful designs from Edita. You can see here, first of all, this beautiful main print. We have it in 3 colors and they work together stunningly. This was also the first collection in which we featured one of Edita's signature color palettes, her reds to pinks to creams, and you can see how she does a beautiful job here in the ombre of color that you can see across the board. But it wasn't just the fabric that made it special. The Little Sweetheart collection was featured in So in Love, Edita Sitar's cherished book, which features her 12 most favorite quilt blocks, along with step-by-step instructions, and not to mention, there's a whole tutorial that goes along with this book online right now. I'll link to it in the description below that you have to see. For those of you who just can't wait, or maybe you're lucky enough to have some of this in your stash, first of all, lock the doors, make sure that none of your friends know, because you never know. Also, here's the Dear One free quilt pattern from Laundry Basket Quilts. As you can see here, we've got the instructions live on our website. I'm going to link to this in the description below as well. This has all the instructions that you need and all the information that you need to put this beautiful quilt together. Thank you so much again, everyone. We can only bring these great collections back because of your support and the fact that you're awesome. That's really what it is. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.